In the last video, we have learned about the comment and how to print multi-comment. Today we learn about how to sense the line, even if inside in the one printf. Okay, good girl. Nancy. Nancy is a good. INCE means is a good boy. Okay, but there is an error. Look at this. Let's see what will happen if we run. Sorry, I have to save first on this. There is warning. Okay, so I wanna convey you that line is not sensed by pressing enter. So we have to input the keyword \n. Okay, okay. Now all is well. Now let's run this program again. See here. Nancy is a good girl. Prince is a good boy. Okay. Let's discuss more examples like printf. He is a coder. He is a coder. And he is very meritorious. Okay. Now let's run this. He is a coder, very meritorious. So we don't use \n after boy dot. So he is a coder. This sentence is continued after boy dot. Let's put \n and see. See here. He is a coder. The line is sensed. Okay. \n again. \n n n \n n n, and I shall not run the last line. Till last, thank you all. See you again.